everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I got these. It's very quick, very easy, very simple. This tutorial will not be long because it is so quick and it is so simple and it is so easy. But yes, I'll show you how I did them. And they are very stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.
Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase.
So I've just shot a whole segment and please realize I've been filming the whole time. I'm so sorry, I'll just start over. So you'll need a few simple things. I'm using the by Afro. So this is really simple, really easy. Take the end of your thread and do it. Braids are not tight because I want to have a natural dread look. I used to have dreads and kind of messed over, but the admin of it, I'm not ready for it yet. Not yet. So yes, choose your hook, feed it through. Now you're going to hold your hair and the thread. How can you flip it out? Where it's kind of flatten it and just wrap it around the braid and the thread. And you kind of want to overlap it so that you can't see what's going on.
Someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I say, oh baby? Can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry.